The DEWALT Router DW618 is a high-quality tool, crafted with world-class craftsmanship and designed for durability and function in real-world conditions. With a 12.0 amp motor, the router delivers variable speed performance from 8,000 to 24,000 revolutions per minute, offering the power and versatility that professionals demand. The DEWALT Router DW618 features a micro-fine depth adjustment ring that provides precise adjustments in 1/64-inch increments, ensuring an extra smooth finish even when working with the toughest hardwoods. The router is equipped with a steel motor cam lock and quick-release motor latches, making adjustments and base changes tool-free, fast, and easy. The overmolded rubber handles and well-balanced body of the DEWALT Router DW618 increase operator comfort and control, while the unique switch and cordset configuration allows for versatility and hand preference. Finally, the DEWALT Router DW618 includes a unique detachable cordset that keeps this tool easy to service, while the switch is also dust-sealed for durability and longevity.